saw this edition with some breaking news that's coming in, and this is in regard with a crackdown on Pakistani terrorists. We learn that's happening in Jammu and Kashmir, where the Jammu and Kashmir police has launched a major crackdown on terrorists operating from Pakistan. Over 15 locations, we learn, are being raided in the Doda district of Jammu and Kashmir. There are 15 locations nearly that are being raided in Doda. This is in Jammu and Kashmir, a major crackdown on terrorism. The Jammu and Kashmir police are cracking down on the terrorists, this one specifically from Pakistan, where they have received some inputs, after which is where 15 locations in and around Jammu and Kashmir, specifically in Doda, are being raided by the police. Gursimran is joining us live on the broadcast on that. Gursimran, talk to us about what was the tip-off that was given to the police and the raids that are being conducted in Doda in Jammu and Kashmir.
See, as we speak, the raids are underway at over 15 locations in the Doda district of Jammu and Kashmir. What we are picking up, that based on a specific intelligence input, that the terrorists that are actually from Jammu and Kashmir but have exfiltrated to Pakistan in the late 90s or early 2000, they are trying to revive their network, because there have been multiple terror attacks where the names of those terrorists have surfaced that have gone to Pakistan but are now operating on the behest of Pakistani intelligence agency ISI and the Pakistani terror group. They are mostly from the Lashkar-e-Toiba, those who are operating in the region, and some are from Jaish-e-Mohammed as well. And now with the Chenab Valley witnessing multiple terror attacks, the security forces are now working on the that their relatives or those who have been in contact with them via social media or via any other medium, they are also being checked upon. This is being to ensure that the ecosystem of the terrorism that these Pakistan-based terror commanders are trying to revive, that can be neutralized well within the time. Reason being that what Pakistan is trying to use, that their relatives, their links in Jammu and Kashmir, so that the terrorism can be revived, and also the Pakistani terrorists that infiltrate into the Indian territory, they can be given every possible support by the associates of these terrorists operating from the POK, because there are over 400 such terrorists, those who have gone to Pakistan in late 90s and early 2000, and now they are operating from there for the Pakistani terror groups. That is really a security concern, and that's why we are witnessing these large-scale search operations that have been launched in the Doda district of Jammu and Kashmir. We are told that the senior officials, including the Deputy Inspector General of the Doda Kishtwar Ramban, Sridhar Patil, and the SSP of the Doda district,
Absolutely.
Sandeep Mehta, they are also on the ground carrying out these operations.
Right, Gursimran, thank you very much for getting us those details. Quickly moving across to some other breaking news that's coming, and this is in regard with the row that is erupted now over the national education policy, where Stalin has now released and unveiled a state education policy, and this is in counter to government's national education policy. The Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has unveiled a state education policy at the Anna Sanitary Library Auditorium